Hey everybody, in keeping with St. Patrick's Day, I'm making REUBEN pinwheels and wraps. I'm starting by softening 1 box of cream cheese in the microwave. That's 8 ounces, and I'll just microwave that for about 1 minute. Then adding 1/2 cup of Thousand Islands dressing and just combine that until very well mixed. Just mix that until you get most of the lumps out. And then I'm going to add some sauerkraut, and I'll be adding 1/2 cup. You can add a little more if you like, but drain it very well. I've got mine in a strainer, and I'm using the back of a spoon to push it through to make sure all of the liquid comes out. Then I'm going to add the sauerkraut to the mixture and just keep combining that. And actually, I'm going to finish it with a whisk to make sure all of the lumps are out of it. Now that that's all mixed well, I'm going to spread that on some tortillas, and I chose some spinach wraps actually because they are green, just keeping with the St. Patty's Day theme. So just spread some on there as much as you like, and then you're going to add in some Swiss cheese if you have it, and some corned beef. I only added a couple slices of corned beef to each tortilla. At $10.72 a pound. I was being a little stingy with it, I'm not ashamed to say. So I also didn't realize I was almost out of Swiss cheese, so I did have to use Swiss and then some cheddar cheese slices, but just use what you have on hand. So I'm going to roll these up, putting a little extra of the sauce on there to keep that together. And then I'm going to put some toothpicks in there to hold it while I cut it. I'm going to cut the ends off of each one because they're not that pretty, and it's just a little snack for me. And then I put toothpicks about 1 inch apart all the way down, and I'll cut in between those. It just makes that easier to hold together. And then I'll put those on a serving platter. Now that the pinwheels are done, I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of those into wraps and just make it like you would any other wrap. And like I said, I am out of Swiss, so I'm using cheddar slices. Just use whatever you have on hand. It's going to be good. And then you're ready just to serve these to your guest or your family to help with the celebration on St. Patrick's Day. Or actually, these are good anytime. The corned beef is a little pricey, so just be aware of that. An alternative would be roast beef, which I have used, and it's just as good. So either one will work. So again, the ingredients you need for this are 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of Thousand Island dressing, 1/2 cup of sauerkraut drained well, tortillas, and corned beef sliced thinly, or you could also use roast beef sliced thinly as well. And then that's it. So give this a try. Let me know if you like it. Wherever you are, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.